Okay, so students, you see that we are now coming into the exercise. What is the first question you see? Reduce the following fractions to their lowest terms by finding the HCF. And as I have said you that how you will be able to understand that whether the fractions are in lowest terms or not. That means they will not be divided more. Okay, that means their common factors should be only 1. Except 1, no number should be there. Okay, so how we are going to find? You just see it here. Okay, so first of all we have to find the HCF of 12 and 21. So writing the solution here, first of all you have to find the HCF of 12 and 21. So by prime factorization method I am doing this one, you also have to do it. So for 12 find like this, do the prime factorization. So I think in 2 step it will come. So 2 6s are 12, again 2 3s are 6, again it will come 3 1s are 3. So that means what we have got the prime factorization of 12, 2 into 2 into 3. So you have to write 2 into 2 into 3. Again you find the prime factorization of 21. Do it. So in the right side I am doing it. So I think whose prime number 21 comes. So in 3 step it will come. So you see 3 7s are 21. Again 7 1s are 7. So what I have got 3 and 7. So I am going to write it here 3 and 7. Now what we have to find? We have to find the HCF as we have done in the previous chapter. How to find the HCF? You just see it. So therefore HCF is equal to you see any common numbers are there. 2 is here but 2 is not here. That means 2 is not common here. 2 is also present here but here is no 2 present. 3 and 3 is common here. So only 3 is common and that means its HCF is what? 3 only. So we have got HCF is what? 3. So after that in that question we have said that find the lowest term by finding the HCF. As we have got the HCF, now we are going to the second part of this question. You see that now we are going to find the lowest term of it. So as we have find the HCF of that one, now how we are going to do this? You have to just divide this numerator and denominator whatever HCF you have got it here. There are 2 steps. What is the first step? Find the HCF, and whatever the HCF you will get, just divide the numerator and the denominator. That means the quotient with the help of your HCF. Now you see, you will just write now 12 by 21 is divided by how much? Is divided by what? 3. So 12 and 21 is divided by 3, both of the numbers, and you will get how much? 3 4s are 12 and 3 7s are 21. So you see 4 by 7 is your required lowest terms. That means you just find the way that whether any other numbers are there. 4 and 7. No number is there in whose table 4 also comes and 7 also comes. That means no number is there that will divide 4 and 7 together, isn't it? So I think we have got our lowest term. So just write it. Therefore the required lowest term, lowest term is 4 by 7. So I am repeating this one again. You see that first of all you have to find the HCF of the question. That 12 by 21 was there. With the help of prime factorization I have got for the 12 2 into 2 into 3 I have got it here. Again for 21 I have got 3 into 7. So only 3 is common in between them. So that means the HCF will be what? 3 only. So whatever HCF we have got, what is the second step that you are going to do? Just divide the fraction in the question with the help of your HCF, and you will find the and you will be able to get the lowest terms. There are only 2 steps. Find the HCF of the fraction, and after that just divide the fraction or the quotient with the help of your HCF, and you will get the value. Okay, so students, you see, as we have done number A of it, again we are doing one more question for you all. If you have doubt in the earlier question, here it will be completed. Okay, you see that 16 by 20 is another fraction, and we have to convert or to reduce in its lowest form. What are the 2 steps? First is to find the HCF of the 2 numbers in the numerator and the denominator. Whatever HCF you will get, just divide with the help of your HCF these 2 numbers and you will get the value. There are only 2 steps to find this one. So you see, with the help of prime factorization, I am going into it. So your solution I have written, find the prime factorization of 16. So 2 8 is 16, 2 4 is 8, again 2 2 is 4, again 2 1 is 2. So you see, about 16 I have got 2 2 2 2. So 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. Now I am going to find about the 20. So find it. 2 10s are 20, again 2 5s are 10, again 5 1s are 5. So about 20, how much I have got? 2 into 2 into 5. 2 into 2 into 5. So what we have to find? We have to find the HCF here. So find the common one. I can see that 2 is first pair I have got. Another pair I have also got. 5 is here, but 5 is not here, and no other numbers are here that can be taken as common. So that means 2 and 2, from these two numbers I have got 1 here. Again this pair I have got 1. So 2 2s are how much? 4. So that means our HCF, how much we have got? About 4. So 16 and 20 has HCF 4. Now what we are going to do? We will just divide the 16 and 20 with the help of whatever HCF we have got. That means we are going to divide 16 and 20 with the help of 4, isn't it? So just divide it. Now you see, we are going to write now here. The question was about 16 and 20. We are just dividing it with the help of our HCF. What HCF we have got? 4. So we are going to divide by this one. So 4 4 is 16, I think. Again 4 5s are 20. So our required term is what? Required lowest term is 4 by 5. Then you have to write, therefore the required lowest term is 4 by 5. Okay, so I think you have got the idea of question number 1. After getting this, now we are going to question number 2. Just copy that question. Start. Okay, so students, you see that question number 2, what it says, show that 21 by 25 and 35 by 54 are in their lowest terms. So just remember the thing that what I have said you, that for being in lowest term, their common factor should be only 1. No other number should be there who will divide 21 and 25, or who will divide 35 and 54. That means we have to prove it here that no numbers are actually present who can divide 21 and 25 except 1. Got it? So what we are going to do? How will you do that? Just see. We are going to write it first as solution. Now just see that we want the common factors here, isn't it? About 21 and 25. So you have to do just find the HCF about the highest common factor, and if we will get the highest common factor as 1, that means our whatever fraction we have given in the question, it is in lowest form. Because as the HCF will be 1, it will prove that only 1 is the number that is going to divide 21 and 25 here. That is the greatest number, isn't it? Highest common factor. So what we have to do? Just find the HCF, and whatever HCF that we are getting, it should be only 1. If we have got the HCF as 1 of 21 and 25, then we will prove that, and then we will be able to say that they are in what? In their lowest terms. Got it? So now we are going to find the HCF of the terms. So first of all, with the help of prime factorization, you just find the terms. 21 is here. So 3 7s are 21 we have got. Again 7 1s are 7. So what I have got? 3 and 7. 3 and 7. So as you know that it can be divided by 1 also. So you can write here 1 also. So again about 25. You see 25 is there. So what you have got? Find it. 25. 5 5s are 25. Again 5 1s are 5. So 5 into 5. 5 into 5. So you just see here the 3 and 5. Find the HCF here. Any number is present. 3 and 5 are here. Again 7 and 5 are here. No common numbers I can see it here. That means what common number only you have got? Here is also 1. Here is also 1. That means our HCF was exactly only 1. So you can write it here. Suppose it is 1 here. Again it is 1 here. So find it. Only one common we have got. So our HCF is what? 1. So I have told you already that if a fraction has HCF as 1, that means they are in their lowest terms. So you can say that therefore since HCF is 1, HCF of 21 and 25 is 1, therefore 21 by 25 is in its lowest terms. So I think you have got the idea of this one. Now we are going same for 35 by 54. Again what we will do, we will just find the HCF of 35 by 54, and if we will get the HCF as 1, we will prove that it is in its lowest form. So go for now 35 and 54 here. You see, then again for 35 and 54, find the terms. So I think this will be divided by 5 only. So 5 7s are 35. Again 7 1s are 7. So about 35 I have got what? 5 into 7 into 1. Again for 54 you find that I think this is an even number. So it will be divided by 2. So find it. 2 2s are 4 and 2 7s are 14. Again it will be divided by 3 because it's an even odd number. 3 9s are 27. Again it will be divided by 3. 3 3s are 9. Again 3 1s are 3. So what you have got it here about 54, you see, 2 into 3 into 3 3 3 3 3 into 3 into 3 into 1. Just find a common or the HCF of it. What you will get the HCF here, see, 5 is here but 5 is not here. 2 is here, 2 is also not here. So I can see 3 is here but 3 is also not here. 7 is here, 7 is not here. That means only one common factor that I am getting is what? Highest one is 1. So since the HCF is 1, we can say that what? Therefore we can say that 35 by 54 is in its lowest terms. So I think you have got the idea here. Okay, so just tell me if you have any doubt in this question. If you have any doubt in this question, you can ask me. Okay, so I think we can go into the next question. Just copy question number 3. Okay, so students, as we have done question number 2, now we are going into question number 3. You see, it is same as the first one that we have did. Reduce the following to the lowest terms. So that means first of all we have to find the HCF of 4 and 8. Whatever HCF we will get, just divide that number with this one. Got it? So you see, with the help of prime factorization, go for it. 2 2s are 4. Again 2 1s are 2. So what we have got about 4? That 4 is equal to 2 into 2 into 1 we have got. Again about 8, find it. 2 4s are 8. Again 2 2s are 4. Again 2 1s are 2. So what we have got? 2 into 2 into 2 into 1. 2 into 2 into 2 into 1. Now find the HCF. Therefore HCF is equal to 2 and 2. You will get one pair. Again we will get one pair here. But about 2 and 1, you see 2 is here, but any other 2 is present? No. That means we will be able to get only what? 1. So what we have got? 2 into 2 into 1. You can write this 1 or you cannot write this upon you. Got it? So what we have got? 2 2s are 4. Again 4 1s are 4. That means HCF we have got how much? 4. So I think about till now you got it. Now we are going to find about 4 and 8 and we will divide it. You see, now to get the lowest terms, 4 by 8 we are going to write and divide it with the HCF we have got. We have got HCF as 4. So again we are going to write it here 4 also and 4 also. So 4 how much are 4? 4 1s are 4. Again 4 how much are 8? 4 2s are 8. So 1 by 2 is your lowest term of 4 by 8. Got it? So you write therefore 1 by 2 is the required lowest term. Got it? So now you just see, I am repeating this one again for you all. 4 by 8 is there and we have to convert it into the lowest form. So we are going to do this with the help of the question number 1. You see, there are only 2 steps. First, find the HCF. Second step is what? Whatever HCF you have got, just divide the fraction with the help of your HCF that you have got now. So about 4 I have done 2 into 2 into 1 with the help of prime factorization. Again about 8, 2 into 2 into 2 into 1. Now find the common factor. That was very easy, and this is the process of getting LCF as we have done in our previous chapter. So about 2 2 we have got 2. Again in this one pair we have taken 1. Again from 1 1 we have got 1. So 2 2s are 4 and 4 1s are 4. That means we have got HCF as 4. Now what we are going to do, just divide 4 by 8 with the help of 4. That means the HCF we have got. So 4 by 8 I have written it here and divided it with the help of HCF. So 4 divided by 4, again 8 is divided by 4, and we have got what? 1 by 2 as the required lowest term. So I think you have got question number 3A. Okay, so students, now we are going into our next question of question number 3. One more question I am going to do. You see, F is what? 42 by 98. So if anyone have doubt in question number A, now here it will be, I think it will be completed. You see, 42 by 98 is there. There are 2 steps only to find the lowest terms. First step is what exactly? That you have to find the HCF of both numerator and denominator, whatever it is given, whatever numbers are. That means we are going to find the HCF of 42 and 98. Whatever HCF we will get, again we will divide that HCF to this number 42 and 98, and whatever number we will get or whatever fraction we will get, that is actually in its reduced form. Got it? So you see that find the prime factorization of 42. So about 42 I am going to do it here. With the help of 2 I will divide. So because in the unit form, unit space 2 is there, so it will be divided by 2. So 2 2s are 4, and again 2 1s are 2. Again 21 can be divided by 3. So 3 7s are 21. Again it's a prime number, so 7 1s are 7 only. So what you have got? 2 into 3 into 7 into 1. Got it? Any doubt is here? So I think there will be no doubt in getting the prime factorization. Again about 98 you just do. Find about 98. So I think 98 will be divided by 2 because in its units place 8 is present. So 2 4s are 8 and 2 9s are 18. Again it will be, you can divide it here in the sidewise. Okay, 2 4s are 8, 9 minus 8, 18 we have got, 2 9s are 18. So how much we have got the value? 49 as an answer. So that's why I have written 49. Okay. So again it will be divided by 7 because 7 7s are 49, isn't it? Again you see 7 1s are 7 we have got. So what is the value? 2 into 7 into 7 into 1. 2 into 7 into 7 into 1. Now just find the common one. I think one pair we have got here. Another pair I will get it from here. Any other pair is there? So 7 is there, only 1 we will get. So about 1 you can write it. So therefore we have got the HCF, I think. Find it. 2 into 7 into 1, because from this pair I have taken 1, again from this pair I have taken 1, and from this pair I have taken 1 number. So 2 7s are 14 and 14 1s are 14 only. So I think we have got the HCF is how much? 14. So first step we have done. Now the second step that we are going to do, we will just divide 42 by 98 with the help of our HCF we have got. So just write that one as earlier. 42 by 98 we are going to write it here. We will divide this one with the help of our HCF that we have got 14. So again we will divide 14. So you see 14, how much of 42? So you have to learn the table only. This is very very important. Got it? So I am going to write it 14 3s are 42. Okay. So about what? 14 how much are 98? You just find it. So 14 7s are 98. Got it? So I think about 14 tables you have to memorize. Okay, because otherwise it will be very tough. As I have said you in the class only that you have to learn the table till 20 anyhow. So in these days you are getting enough time to get it. So kindly go for the table. Got it? Till 20 you must complete it. So 14 3s are 42 and 14 7s are 98 we have got. So I think 3 by 7 is the reduced form of this one, because no other numbers are there that will divide 3 and 7 other than 1. So you just see, therefore the required reduced term is 3 by 7. So by this we have completed our exercise 4C. Okay, so students, you see that as we have done exercise 4C, now we are going to do exercise 4D. In this exercise, what we have to do, you see, so see the first question here. Solve the following terms and reduce the answers to the lowest terms. That means 2 by 3 plus 1 by 6 we have to add these numbers. Okay, these are in the fraction form. That means we all know that 1 plus 1, if we have given like this one, you have to add 1 plus 1. We can, it is very simple. 1 plus 1 is how much? 2. Suppose 2 plus 3 we have given, we are going to write 5 here. It's very simple. But what about if the question is in its fraction form? Got it? So we are going to learn about, or we are going to understand how we are going to add the fractions sum, or how we are going to subtract about in fractions. Got it? So you see that these are the steps are very simple. We have done earlier, but it just a little bit longer than earlier one. You see, 2 by 3 and 1 by 6 is here. What you have to do, first of all, find the LCM of the denominators 3 and 6. So 3, 6. Find the LCM. So I think by with the help of 2 we can divide. So 3 will be here. 2 3s are 6. We have got. Again, what we have to do? Divide it by 3 to get the LCM. So you see, therefore LCM is equal to 2 into 3. That means 2 3s are 6. We have got the LCM. Got it? Now you just write like this: 2 by 3. Keep it ready as we have done earlier, like that one. Got it? Again, about 1 by 6 you also have to do. Just remember the equivalent fractions. In those fractions we have done like this, no? So like that way you have to do it only. 2 into, again let's give a blanks. Keep it ready like this. What we have got as the LCM? 6. Just write in the denominator part of our resulting answer. You see 3, how much is 6? So 3 2 is 6. We are going to write here 2. Again, if we have written 2 in the lower side, as I have said it earlier also, you have to write it 2 in the upper part also. That means in the numerator also. So 2 2s are 4. Again, 6, how much is 6? 6 1s are 6. So therefore 1 1s are. So I think we have converted this unlike fractions to like fractions, isn't it? This is our actually motive, that we have to convert these unlike fractions to the like fractions. How? What are like fractions? Just remember that one, that in our first class I have said that if the denominators are same, then they will be said as what? The like fractions. Now if the denominators are same, no, they will be added very easily. How you will be see? You see that 4 by 6. Cut it. Cut it. So now 4 by 6 and 1 by 6, you just add those numbers. 4 by 6 plus how much? Plus 1 by 6. Now you see that about 4 by 6 and 1 by 6, 6 are present now in the lower side. You can write directly 6 is here. Add 4 plus 1, 4 plus 1, and 4 plus 1 is how much? 5. So you can write 5 here. And 6 is in the lower side, that means 6 is here. So this is very simple. I am going to elaborate this one again. You see that 2 by 3 and 1 by 6, these are the fractions in the quotient. We have written directly 2 by 3 and 1 by 6. Got it? What we have to do, just find like the equivalent one that we have done now. Find the LCM of 6 and 3. About 6 and 3 we have got the LCM 6 as an answer. So I have written 6 from earlier. You see again 3 into how much we will get 6? So 3 into 2, just 3 2 just 6. So that we are going to write 2 again in the upper side also. So 2 2s are 4 we have got. Again 6 into how much? 6. So 6 into 1 is 6. So if I am going to write it 1 here, we have to write in the upper part also. So that is 1 1s are 1. So since they have converted into the like fractions, we can add them directly. So you see 4 by 6 and 1 by 6 I have written directly, because we have given the sum sign or the addition sign here. So we have to give addition sign here also. So we have to plus it. So 6 are same. So I have written 6 as the LCM. Again 4 plus 1. So 4 plus 1 I have written directly. So 4 plus 1 is how much? 5 by 6 as an answer. So this is our sum, that solve the following and reduce the answers to the lowest terms. So 5 by 6 is in lowest terms already, because no other numbers are there exactly who will divide 5 and 6 other than 1. So they are in reduced form. Got it? Okay, so students, in our first question we have got about the plus sign. You see, any question was there in the middle of it, plus sign was there. That means we have to add in those numbers. Okay, in those fractions. Now here, if the subtraction sign is there, that means we will convert this fraction into like fraction and we will subtract. What we are going to do? We will subtract. This is very important. Okay, if the plus sign is there, that means you have to add after conversion them into like fractions. And if the sign is what? Difference sign, that means the subtraction sign is there, then you have to subtract those fractions. Got it? So now we are going to do this. Again the process is exactly same. We have to convert these unlike fractions into like fractions. That means we have to make the denominator same. So first of all, find keep it ready like this. 7 by 16 we have done, equal to 7 and 16 we are going to do it like this one. Again 3 and 8 we are going to write. 3 and 8 we have written. Keep it ready from earlier as we have done now in equivalent fractions. Now again you find 16 and 8. So about 16 and 8 we are going to find the LCM. You see that in the 2 step it will come 2 8 is 16. Again 2 4s are 8. Again 2 4s are 8. 2 2s are 4. So again it will be divided by 2 also. 2 2s are 4 and 2 1s are 2. Again it will be divided by 2. 2 1s are 2 and 2 1s are 2. So how much you have got the LCM? You see, it's about 2 2 2 2 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. So you see 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8 and again 8 2s are 16. So how much you have got the LCM? 16. Okay, so we are going to write 16 here also and 16 here also. You find now you have to, what we have to find, that in 16 tables, in 16 how much does 16 come? That means we have to divide this 16 by this 16. So I can say that 16 ones are 16. So I am going to write 1 here and 1 here also. Got it? So 16 ones are 16 and 7 ones are 7. I have written 7 by 16 here. Again 8, how much are 16? So 8 2s are 16. Again 3 into 2. So if I have written 2, you have to write here 2 also. So 3 2s are 6 we have got. Now you see that these unlike fractions are converted into like fractions because the denominators are same. Here it is 16 also, here it is 16 also. So if they are converted in like fractions, they will be added very simply. Got it? Now we have to subtract here. Just copy that one. 7 by 16 minus 6 by 16. Got it? Because 7 by 16 stands for this one and 6 by 16 stands for 3 by 8. So as we have got the LCM as 16, both the numbers are same, so we are going to write directly here. Again 7 was present, so 7 minus sign was there, so I have written minus sign. Again 6 was there, 6. Now just convert it. 7 minus 6 is how much? 1. So it is 1 by 16. So I think you have got the value. Okay, so this is the subtraction of this type of fractions. Got it? So this is also, you see that it is in slowest form because no other numbers are there other than 1 which are going to divide 1 and 16. Okay, so I think you have got this.